Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get 200 EMA on TradingView. First, open your TradingView platform and choose the chart you wish to analyze. Next, find the Indicators button, usually located at the top of your screen. Click on it to open the indicator search bar. In the search field, type Moving Average Exponential to find the correct indicator. This will allow you to add the exponential moving average to your chart. Once the exponential moving average is on your chart, you'll need to adjust its settings. Look for the small gear icon that appears next to the indicator's name on your chart. Click this icon to open the settings window. Inside, locate the length or period input field and change its value to 200. You can also customize the line's color and thickness to make it stand out clearly on your chart. The 200 exponential moving average is a powerful tool for understanding market direction. It calculates the average price over 200 periods, giving you a smoothed view of the long-term trend. When the price is consistently trading above the 200 EMA, it generally indicates an uptrend. Conversely, if the price remains below, it often signals a downtrend. This indicator provides a clear visual reference for market sentiment. Incorporating the 200 EMA into your trading strategy can be very beneficial. Many traders use it to confirm the overall trend before entering a position. It can also act as a dynamic level of support in an uptrend or resistance in a downtrend. For more robust analysis, consider combining the 200 EMA with other technical indicators. This approach can help you make more informed trading decisions and improve your overall strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.